Hi, my name is Reja. Welcome to PLSQL Beginner to Advanced tutorial series. Today we will learn about PLSQL Package, and we will find throughout this tutorial are creating package, speak and body, creating or replacing the package, creating procedure in package, creating function in package, cursor use in package, creating and using of package, creating and using packages. Before creating a package, need to remember is that one is package spec and another one is package body. Let's create a package spec first. As you can see, first one is create or replace package and then package name, and after package name we use as, and then we must have to declare the variable or any declarations, and then procedure, here the procedure, store procedure, and then function. So we have four items in package speak, and must be closed by using and then package name, then semicolon. So after executing this one, as you can see, package compiled, employee pkg. Now we will create the package body. As you can see, we create a package body for the speak, and this spec is employee package, and here we just implementing the package body employee package, and here we just use to implement the two uh, options like procedure and function. So first section is procedure, so you can rearrange this one. So yeah, I just implementing the procedure, and the procedure name is increase salary, which is here the same name we must have to implement here, because this is the skeleton and it's the implementation inside the body. So this is the this is the procedure actually. So here I just implementing just implementing the update operations for employee, and the employees will come from this cursor actually. So here we just use this cursor, and this is the loop operation, and our salary increased by the rate. So we sell in rate, which is defined in the spec here. So after completing the update operation, we just use the commit, and the second option is second section is function. So here we just use get average salary and function to be implemented here. So here just we use return as number. So from this DML we use the select operation to get the average salary by using the department. So here we will pass the value of department ID, and the department this department ID will filter this for this DML. So after getting the value of average salary will be populated into our variable p employee emp average salary. So here it is. So finally we must have to return the average salary, which is 1, and this is the package body for this procedure and function. So after executing this one, Here we can see package body employee package compiled. Now we will open another worksheet. Here it is. So now we will see how to call these package items. Here we can see the simple anonymous PLSQL anonymous block. So if we execute this one, here we can see the anonymous block completed. Means that this store procedure calling successfully. So now we will see another example of calling function. Just look at this. This is the function. This is the package name. This is the function name, and here we just pass this department ID. So after executing this one, we need to give the appropriate package name here. So this one is. So after executing this one, here we can see the anonymous block. So our favorite salary is here. So this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep watching the next tutorial. Thanks.